Hi, my name is Tim with OS College. In this video, we're going to be looking at freezing multiple rows in Google Sheets. This is a quick video for Google Sheets. It's designed to be a quick overview of a specific setting in Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a spreadsheet application from Google that operates through just about any web browser on just about any operating system, Windows, Mac, and various Linux distros. So in this video, we're going to be looking at several customers who placed a recent order, and we want to look at their past orders. And so what we do here is we want to scroll down and look at past orders, but we also want to, at the same time, look at their current orders. So to do this, you click somewhere in row 6 because that's the last customer in the list, and then you go up to view and go over this freeze submenu and click up to current row, and it lists row 6. Click it. When you scroll down, you can look at the past orders at the same time when you're looking at the customer's current order and their information. This has been a quick video from OS College about Google Sheets, where we looked at freezing a set of rows so those rows can be looked at while information lower in a spreadsheet can also be looked at the same time. To check out other videos about Google Sheets and other of Google's applications, as well as other productivity applications, check out the other videos on the OS College YouTube channel. Subscribe to receive notification of new videos. You also can look at articles and videos on the OS College website, and also check us out on Facebook. Thank you for watching.